Welcome to Cognitive Canvas, where we explore the fascinating world of the mind and how to live with more clarity, focus, and peace. If you've ever felt like your thoughts are pulling you in every direction, replaying the past, or stressing about the future, then this video is for you. Today, we're talking about simple, science-backed tips to help you stay present in the moment so you can truly experience life as it's happening. Start with your breath. One of the easiest ways to anchor yourself in the present is to pay attention to your breath. You don't need to change it, just notice it. Feel the air coming in and going out. Your breath is always happening now, so it's the perfect tool to bring your mind back to the present. Use your 5 senses. When your mind starts to drift, gently bring it back by tuning into your senses. Ask yourself, what do I see? What do I hear? What can I feel, smell, or taste? This grounds your awareness in your immediate surroundings and calms racing thoughts. Do one thing at a time. We often think multitasking makes us more productive, but it actually scatters our focus. Instead, try doing just one thing at a time. Whether it's eating, walking, or talking to someone, give it your full attention. You'll notice more, enjoy it more, and feel more in control. Take mindful pauses. Throughout your day, take short pauses to check in with yourself. You can simply stop for 30 seconds, take a breath, and ask, how am I feeling right now? These mini check-ins help break the autopilot mode and bring your awareness back to the present. Let go of judgment. When thoughts pop up, like, I shouldn't be thinking this, or I need to focus, don't fight them. Just notice the thought, label it, and gently return to the moment. Being present isn't about having a perfectly quiet mind. It's about noticing when you've drifted and kindly coming back. Practice gratitude. Take a moment each day to notice something you're grateful for. It can be small, like a warm cup of tea, sunlight through your window, or a kind word from a friend. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's missing to what's here, right now. Wrap up staying present takes practice, but every time you bring your attention back, you're training your mind to live more fully. So start small, breathe, observe, and slow down. The present moment is always available, waiting for you to return. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to subscribe to Cognitive Canvas for more insights into the mind and how to live better. Thanks for watching, and remember to come back to the now.